Hello friends, this is Amandeep Kaur. Today we are going to discuss about machine learning. What is machine learning? It is a new branch of artificial intelligence. So, as we all know that human can learn anything automatically from experiences, but the machine also learn from past data or experience with the help of machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, that is AI, that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn for themselves. There are many machine learning examples that have already become an integral part of our daily lives. In traditional programming, we give data and programs to the computer and computer gives us back the output. But in machine learning, we will give data and output to the computer and it will generate the program accordingly. The main aim of machine learning is to train machines like computers or applications so that they can learn from big data. So, machines adjust their performance accordingly. It is very simple. There are various examples of machine learning like Netflix, Amazon, Gmail, PayPal, fraud detection, pattern recognition, Spotify, Google Assistant, Facebook, etc. Now we will learn how does machine learning works. Firstly, we will input the data to the computer. The computer will analyze that data and find the patterns. After the prediction, computer will store the feedback and generate the output. Let us see an example of machine learning. Firstly, we will generate input and give it to the computer. We are giving the input as a car. So, the computer will extract the features of the input and classify it, then generate the output, that is it a car or is it a other thing. Machine learning uses two main techniques. First one is supervised learning and other one is unsupervised learning. In the supervised learning, it allows you to collect data or produce a data output from a previous machine learning deployment. But in the unsupervised machine learning, it will help you to find all kinds of unknown patterns in the data. Machine learning has some advantages also, like it easily identifies patterns, no human intervention is needed, there is continuous improvement, and it handles multivariety or multi-dimensional data. It also has some wide applications. As you know that each coin has two sides, so machine learning has some disadvantages also that you can see on the screen. That is data acquisition. More time and resources are needed in the machine learning. Interpretation of results. And the last one is high error susceptibility. There are some applications of machine learning also. As in e-commerce, we can give the ads or we can support the customer also. In healthcare, we can do robotic surgery. In the social media services, we can filter the spam. And in the transport, we can control air traffic. We can also do online fraud detection. We can also do speech recognition, image recognition and facial recognition, as you can see in your phones. We also have feature of self-driving cars, that is another application of machine learning.